Hey Legends, what's up? It's me, Legendary Matroix, here back again with another video, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a custom wallpaper in Photoshop for your YouTube channel if you are doing tutorials like me, or if you just want a cool wallpaper. Anyway, this is going to be very simple and very easy. So the shout out for today goes to Muhammad Noor. He is my mother's little brother, and he has came. And he has come all the way from England over here. He is with us for a couple of days, and if you want a shout out just like him, all you have to do is wait till the end of the video and comment down the secret word that you see on the screen, and let's get right into the tutorial. So first of all, go to open up Photoshop. If you don't have it, there's going to be a video of mine, link in description. Go to file and new. Now copy these settings and click OK. Now I just wanted to show you guys this. This is a wallpaper I made for my friend Royal Matroix. His channel will also be in the description, and all I did was use these pictures. So first of all, I'm going to use a starburst background. You can look this up on Google. And I'm going to use a grunge background just to show you guys how it works. And I'm just going to find a good one. This one looks good. And just seriously, right click and copy and paste it onto Photoshop. By pressing Ctrl V. Now just to resize it, press Ctrl T, hold Shift and drag the edges down. And once you're satisfied, click Enter. It's going to move it up, make the circle in the center. And then you will need a logo. I'm going to import my logo over here, and I'll be back in a second. As you can see, I have imported it. Just Ctrl T, make it smaller, center it. Now as you can see, this is actually not in the center. You can do Ctrl A, layer, align layers to selection, vertical centers, and layer, align layers to selection, horizontal centers. I don't think this is perfect because there were gaps on the center, so all you have to right click and rasterize it. I'm going to do it again. Okay, it turns out it was perfect. I hate myself now. Okay, then we're going to use the grunge background. Just copy. This doesn't copy properly. What's wrong with it? Okay, now we have this. Ctrl T, resize. If you want to change the aspect ratio on this one, you can. I don't want to change it. And now you're going to use different blending modes. As you can see, overlay. You can just go through these, pick the one you like. I really like this one, so I'm going to leave it like this. And now, why are you here? Leave. Make a new layer and open up the brush tool, black, and make it smaller and 0 hardness. You can do that by just right clicking, or there's another way. If you press Ctrl and Alt and then move the mouse, if you move it from left to right or right to left, it will change the size, and up to down or down to up, it will change the hardness. Just make like little spots to make a shadow. It's not needed, but you can do that. And then just change it to overlay. That actually looks bad. Let's not do that. Let's just decrease its, oh no. Let's just decrease the opacity of it, if you want to. Now I'm going to make a new layer to make this stand out. Go to white and again 0 hardness, and just keep on clicking. And then make sure you drag this layer right here, and then you do overlay. As you can see, it looks brighter, and you can just touch random spots with it. You can see I'm going to choose this blue one, make some nice effects, change the blending mode. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do leave a like, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my second channel, which is going to be linked in the description. Follow my Facebook page, follow my Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and I think Twitch is left, but I don't live stream. Follow me on there just in case I ever do live stream by accident. And if you enjoyed this video, again, I don't know why I'm repeating this, leave a like and subscribe. And if you want a shout out in the next video, all you have to do is again hit that like button, subscribe, and comment the words that you see on the screen, which is #wallpaper. If you comment that, you have a chance of getting a shout out in the next video. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.